If you own a home, you're gonna wanna listen to this. Home values continue to climb, so your net worth is rising too. And that's because you gain equity in your home as prices go up. Let me show you why this is such a big deal. Equity is a home value minus what you still own on the loan. And according to Core Logic, the average homeowner's equity has grown by $28,000 over the last year. If you bought your home before the pandemic, the news is even better. Home prices have gone up nearly 40% over the past 5 years, so your home value is more likely to increase even more. In fact, the average homeowners today has just over $300,000 in home equity. So if you worry about being able to afford your next home, know that the equity doesn't just boost your net worth, it can help you buy your new place too. Want to know how much you have and how to put it towards your next home? Let's talk. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. Give me a call for a seller's consultation, 773-550-4846. Let's make your dreams come true.